Best Desktop Organizer Shelf Review. In this video, we will share with you one of the most popular desktop shelves in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We will share with you some of the features of what makes this desktop shelf so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of the different configurations you can set up to use on your desktop. The one that made our list is the PAG Adjustable Desktop Bookshelf. This bookshelf is made from high-quality wear-resistant material for extended durability. Its compact upright design saves space on your table to keep your desktop clutter-free so you can focus on your work. The adjustable configuration allows you to customize it exactly to your needs. It's perfect for books, stationery, photo frames, and more. The tools needed for installation are also included in the set. To check out the full specs of the PAG Adjustable Desktop Bookshelf and check out its current price, you can go to grabit.at/deskshelf. Here's a quick look at the different setup for this bookshelf. So there you have it, the PAG Adjustable Desktop Bookshelf. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the material, and how it's easily customizable, we feel that this bookshelf is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the PAG Adjustable Desktop Bookshelf and check out its current price, you can go to grabit.at/deskshelf. Alright, thank you for watching.